Hike up the mountain for the pellets. Ah, last pellet. Get it?
Blasphemy.
Blasphemy! Pikmin, work on that. Oh, they're not doing it. Oh, I'm a broken down ship. Go fix it! Fix it! Fix it! Fix it, oh darn it! Fix it!
You guys are useless.
Fix it, fix it, fix.
Why don't you go get the other Pikmin and get the part?
Oh. I know you, sir. We can't fix it. Oh, God. Okay. Let's see.
Booyah!
Bing bong.
21. Go get it.
We struck the... We can now get our driver's license. I'm so happy to get my driver's license. I want my driver's license. For the love of Pete's sake, I want my driver's license already. Hurry up! I want my driver's license. Move. Honk honk. 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 Finally, the traffic is slowed down. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, I'm being adopted by aliens! No! No! No, 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 no. Come on, I haven't got all day. Oh, awesome. I finally got my driver's license.
Oh, it's all shiny now.
It does this little...
Ooh.
Ooh, glorious.
Oh, glorious.
Glorious gold. Wonderful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, my
Glorious.
God, I hate you.
A glimmer of hope.
You're ruining my happy moment. Words. I can finally go back home now.
Was that the end of the day?
Yeah. I really have to go search for those parts. Oh my god! I'm being adopted by aliens! No! No!
The rocket ship just farted. It's blasting off into space.
Nothing's worse than being adopted by aliens with a farting rocket ship.
One day since impact, I have somehow managed to launch the Dolphin, but I was surprised to see the Onion lift off with me. Perhaps the Pikmin cannot survive overnight on the planet's surface, or they merely
just want to help me escape from these aliens with a farting rocket ship.
Or are they just stupid? 29 parts?